Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The new board of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has promised to effectively deliver on the mandate of the intervention agency to better the lives of largely backward communities in the Niger Delta region. Chairman of the board, Mr. Chiedu Ebie, made the pledge on behalf of his team during an interactive session with members of the House of Representatives Committee on NDDC and the Senate Committee on Niger Delta Affairs recently in Abuja.
Consistent with provisions of the 1999 Constitution as amended under Section 62, subsections 88 and 89, the House of Representatives Committee on NDDC recently invited members of the newly inaugurated board of the commission to Abuja for an interactive session. In her opening remark, Chairman of the House Committee on NDDC, Honorable Ehiatake Iborusuenu, told the NDDC board members that a committee would carry out its oversight function to ensure effective and efficient utilization of budgetary allocations and implementation of the Act establishing the Commission. She said her committee was also looking forward to working closely with the new board to strengthen the NDDC for improved service delivery to blighted communities in the Niger Delta.
As a committee, we want to be able to work with the board to achieve one goal, which is to change the narrative of the Niger Delta region and the Commission with a view of improving the lives and conditions of the people of the Niger Delta.
In his response, Chairman of the NDDC Governing Board, Mr. Chiedu Ebie, assured the federal lawmakers that his team would carry out its assignment in full cooperation with the National Assembly. Mr. Ebie said members of the new NDDC board had resolved to justify the trust reposed in them by striving to make a difference in the lives of people in the Niger Delta.
We've met ourselves informally even before the board was inaugurated, and we made that solemn pledge to ensure that the confidence reposed in us is not wasted. So we assure you of our best endeavors always, and we're hoping that with the fullness of time, once we've settled down, that we should be able to come back to you in the not too distant future, of course at your invitation, to make further and better presentations.
The Chiedu Ebie-led board later met with the Senate Committee on NDDC to reflect on factors militating against service delivery by the Commission. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, while addressing the senators, said the NDDC had in the last 10 months undergone transformation in its administration and management. Dr. Ogbuku, however, called for immediate release of funds approved by the 9th Senate in the NDDC 2021, 2022 and 2023 annual budgets to enable the Commission deliver on its mandate.
Thanks to the 9th Assembly, the budget was passed in April. However, we are yet to get the copies of the budget has been passed by the National Assembly. We hope that you also expedite action to also give us this budget so that at least we can start operating with budget.
Chairman of Senate Committee on NDDC, Senator Asoko Ekpeyong, while calling for adequate funding of the NDDC, said oil companies' failure to remit their statutory counterpart funds to the Commission as required by law was unacceptable.
When you have a situation where you have a debt profile over ₦1 trillion, we're no longer talking about sustainable development. When you have a debt profile that high, contractors who have the capacity to deliver will run away from executing your contract. We have to reverse this trend, and it's something we have to do quick and fast.
The new managers of the NDDC are optimistic that the funding challenge will be addressed as quickly as possible to enable them deliver on their mandates.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. inside the Niger Delta.